Penny Stock Whispers here, and we're doing a stock chart analysis on NYXO, Nyxio Tech Incorporated. And last closing day was 0008 on Friday, and this stock is looking good to go here. We have basically a consolidation pattern here. You can see there was a slight sell-off here after a nice bullish movement up. And after the sell-off, we saw consolidation happening here, and we believe after a few more periods of consolidation, this stock can actually have a reversal. And from this point on, if it breaks the the 0016 resistance area, then it could be in a full bullish movement, and it could actually go to 1 cent perhaps. Everything that we say here, of course, is always opinionated. We're not licensed traders. And moving on here, you can see the money flow index is looking pretty good. It's anywhere between the 50 and the 70 line is basically a buy zone. The fast stochastics, you can see the blue line is basically just crossing here and breaking over the red line. That's a very bullish indicator indicating a possible reversal. The tricks line here is holding steady. You can see it went down a little bit after going up after some trading days. That doesn't really indicate anything, basically doesn't mean much. But the MACD here, this is very interesting. You can see the red line and the blue line basically in one, embedded into one. And when you see this in a few trading days, after a few trading days, it basically means there's going to be a change in direction. Usually that direction, from my experience, is going up. The accumulation distribution is basically was right around this area. It peaked and went down, but it's still in a very bullish area. You can see that it's holding steady, and the RSI shows that it's been basically pulled back, and a reversal could happen because it's not too low, not too high, so it's just holding steady. So we got a pretty good chart here, folks. It's looking good. And I don't know if you guys remember, back in 2012 we gave an alert on NTEK at 0008. If you guys go back on our blog, you can actually click here and see that we actually did alert on our blogger and Twitter and emails as well. That stock from 0008 went all the way to 17 cents, making a huge move in about 6 to 7 months. So not that long actually, considering the gains that were involved. So this stock is in the same sector and has the same potential as NTEK. NYXO looks good for a long-term play, and the CEO is very transparent, and the company is basically very transparent. Also, they're on Twitter and they give a lot of updates, so that's always a good indicator. One thing that stood out is they're in talks with a joint venture with a social media music platform, so that's always good. And the company did actually make a new account on the OTC markets, and their share structure was updated as well. So we can see a lot of updates coming in the future with this company, as they stated that in their Twitter. Apparently news is pending. So here it states that they actually did a reinstatement, so that's also good. They're going to actually be doing a reinstatement. So we've seen in the past these reinstatement plays do very well, and you can actually go on our website, pennystockwhispers.com, download our app here as well, and you can enter your emails, read up about some good articles, and basically learn up and educate yourself on the penny stock world. And now going back to this chart here, this is just the candlesticks, nothing with the indicators, not many indicators anyways. You can see here that when it started, it had a nice bullish day, followed by a consolidation day, another bullish day, another consolidation, and so on. And now we see a big consolidation happening here, so we could actually see a big movement to follow. It's like a kind of a pattern, if you can see. This can be really a good one in the long term. And if you have any questions or comments, leave it below on our YouTube channel, and we will discuss this stock. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.